there a certain line I'm meant to be holding?
No,
or
you just drive normally. Try to stay off the barriers, they're quite expensive. Yeah, then just follow that car through the line between the cones and left.
Sorry about that.
Fine, I'll hold it.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Cool.
Oh, someone's already hit a cone here.
Yeah, it's been down for a while.
No one's thought of. Oh, sorry, you said 50, eh?
Yeah, just keep it civilized. So that's you're driving fine. We've had some proper maniacs today.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, the other group was guys from
China.
No, from UAE and Saudi Arabia and Dubai and that. So they, I don't know, first of all I think they're like driving on the wrong side of the road for them. Steering wheel's in the wrong place, so they're driving like, yeah.
Are we going good now?
No, we shouldn't be. We'll do another lap. Yep, keep going.
Then when you try to explain to them, I'm sure they don't understand English.
No, they don't. And this car doesn't have a handbrake to pull up.
Was it that bad?
Yeah.
What speeds were they driving
No,
at?
like he would gun up to the back of that car and hit the brake and then take the corner, like badly. And then you tell the guy maximum 55, he just doesn't. He just ignores it.